Transform your website's footer from an afterthought to a powerful part of your design with Colibri's incredible customization tools. Today, we're diving deep into how to create a stunning and functional footer in WordPress using the Colibri theme first. Access your website's dashboard and navigate to Appearance. Then Themes, make sure the Colibri or Colibri WP theme is activated. Now, click on the Customize button. This will open the Colibri Customizer, where all the magic happens on the left-hand sidebar. Find and click on the Footers section to begin. The first thing you'll want to do is choose your footer's layout. Colibri offers several predesigned column structures. Click on the Layout option that best suits your content needs. You can see a live preview on the right as you make your selections. This controls how many distinct content areas you'll have at the bottom of your site. Next, let's add content. Click on the Add Widget button for any of your chosen footer columns. This opens up a list of available widgets. You can add things like navigation menus, recent posts, social media links, or even custom HTML. For example, let's add a text widget. Click on Text. Then use the editor to type in your copyright information, a brief about statement, or contact details. But we're not done yet. Colibri gives you granular control over the appearance. Look for styling options within the footer section. You can adjust font sizes, colors, and even background colors for your entire footer area or individual sections. Experiment with different color schemes to match your brand. You can also adjust the spacing between elements to create a clean and organized look. For even more flexibility, Colibri often allows you to add custom content blocks directly within the footer. This means you can embed images, call to action buttons, or anything else you can imagine to enhance user experience and guide your visitors. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your website's footer into a visually appealing and highly functional part of your site. All thanks to the intuitive design of the Colibri theme. Publish your changes and marvel at your personalized footer.